Welcome my friends, Jon Weberg here, and I want to start off by telling you a few very important things that I want to make sure that you know, I want to make sure that you really think about, because this is going to impact all of your future results that you will ever see with any kind of marketing or any kind of business online. Number one, I want to thank you guys. I want to thank you for being on our list. I want to thank you for following us. I want to thank you so much for all of your support. We really, truly, to the bottom of our hearts, we appreciate it so much, because our entire purpose, our entire reason why we do what we do, why we are trying to lead you, why we are trying to show you the correct path to follow, and why we hope so much that you do follow it, is because when we first got started marketing online, for literally years and years, we struggled and made absolutely nothing. And we don't want you to go through that same struggle. We want you to succeed. We want you to make money. We want you to be able to go on vacation. We want you to be able to do all the things that you want to do so badly. And we're going to do everything we can to make sure you get there. Number two, right now you have access to our system. Now there are some of you who A, are using our system. Great job if you are. And B, there are some of you who are not using our system that we supply and give to you. Now, whatever side you're on, I want to say this. The years that we struggled, the years that we made absolutely nothing and spent thousands and thousands and just period lost money, continually lost money and never stopped losing money, we never did until we started using a system like you have in front of you, or like that we've shown you before. And there's a reason why this works. And I'm going to explain this really quickly so you understand. No matter what you're selling online, no matter if you're selling toilet paper or if you're selling a business idea or whatever the case might be, there are three things you must do in order to get a sale, in order to generate a customer. You must A, build like, B, build know, and C, build trust with whoever that person or lead or audience member is. And if you can't, you will never, ever, ever get the sale. I'm gonna repeat that. If you don't build like, know, and trust, you will never, ever get a single sale ever. So how do you build like, know, and trust? How do you generate sales? How do you generate commissions? And how do you build a profitable business that actually works for you? You follow and have your team and people you're introducing to whatever you're offering a system that can be duplicated, a system that anyone can follow, a system that builds like, know, and trust as people go through it. And we have given you that system. So please, 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 because this system has literally generated hundreds of thousands of dollars already, literally. So please listen. A, if you already have your system set up, make sure you are running traffic to it. Please, please, please make sure you are running traffic to it, because traffic is the lifeblood of your business. It is how you're going to make any money online. You got to have, one, a system, and B, people going through your system. And two, if you do not have our system, if you have not set up anything, or if you've only partly set it up, make sure you finish setting the system up. Why? Because it works. Why? Because we have literally hundreds of people who are using it, who are all making money with it. This is something that has not just been used and used effectively by us. Like I said, we've really created hundreds of thousands of dollars with it, but by hundreds of others. And very soon here, it will become thousands, because of how well the system is working. There are going to be thousands of people who are using it and making money and seeing results, because they're using a system that builds like, know, and trust, and you can use. So please, this is completely for you. Make sure you set up the system. Make sure you follow the instructions, and make sure once it's set up, you start driving traffic with it. Other than that, I simply hope you have an absolutely incredible day. I hope you're following the system. I hope you're seeing massive results. And if you aren't seeing the results that you want, at any time you can contact myself or my dad in our Facebook groups or in our Facebook messaging, and we will get back to you. I guarantee and promise you that. So have an absolutely amazing day or night. We will talk to you very soon, and keep doing you, keep being yourself, and keep doing your best, because you can do it. All you have to do is apply yourself right now.